a grandma in Florida, a preschool teacher in France, a mom in Toronto looking for the perfect birthday gift. What do they all have in common? They've all discovered our Animal Puzzle Wooden Dominoes, a simple toy that's making a big difference in families around the world. On Etsy, hundreds of parents, grandparents, and educators have left glowing reviews. They say things like, "The quality is amazing. My child asks for it every single morning." And, "It's the first toy that actually keeps them focused without a screen." These aren't just dominoes. They're tiny moments of discovery, filled with joy, color, and learning. Each piece is made to fit perfectly in little hands, painted with non-toxic colors, and carefully illustrated with adorable animals and everyday objects. Kids love matching, stacking, and learning without even realizing they're building memory, logic, and fine motor skills. Our domino set is already certified and trusted in Canada, the US, and Europe, and that peace of mind matters. Especially when you're gifting it to someone you love. Whether you're looking for something quiet for travel, something educational for homeschool, or just something truly meaningful for a birthday or special occasion, this toy delivers. And best of all, it's exclusive.